went up on the hill. Cheaters.
Ow. Why'd you try to do something besides scratch me? Thought your mama was gonna cut them things.
Yeah, I keep saying that, don't I?
Yeah, you do.
Thought your mama was gonna cut them claws.
The other one's staying up on the hill.
I didn't pay much attention to it.
Well, after seeing it daily, it kind of gets boring.
Not that the other two don't.
You don't care about it.
On the mound.
Honey.
There she goes.
At least you got reversing stuff on it.
There you go. We'll turn that whole square out.
Yeah, he is. It's right on it. I hate reversing, honey.
Just to get it going.
Oh, you lost it.
See that big kitty? See that big kitty?
No, it's just a busy looking the bamboo.
Kitty? See that big kitty?
Well, they probably started it because they needed the exercise of their running. And now they're so used to it that they're like,
She's got a bowl of something.
put a slice of meat on it and then I'll go after it.
She's got a bowl of something there.